Hello, I'm Paige, and this is part of my cosplay fixing up series where I take cosplays I made and fix all the bad mistakes that I made on them. So for this video, I wanted to look at my Miss Marvel costume, which is the third costume that I ever made. It was my first time working with stitch fabric, so I learned a lot from it, made a lot of mistakes, and now I want to fix those. First, I'm going to show you some of the errors that I made while constructing this, and then I'm going to show you fixing those up. So one thing that I did when I made this was I didn't hem any of the edges. So the armhole was unhemmed, the leg opening was unhemmed, and the back of the collar wasn't hemmed. So that's one thing that I want to fix. I didn't hem anything on the sash, which made the fabric run for some reason, and it just looked kind of bad, so I want to fix that. And one mistake that I made that I won't be fixing is that I attached the zipper backwards for some reason, but I think it works out because the zipper pull doesn't get stuck in the wig, so it's fine. And another thing that I have already fixed is when I first made the costume, I didn't put elastic in my thigh-high boot covers, which caused them to slip down a lot during my photo shoot, but I noticed that, so I fixed it before my next photo shoot, which you can see here. All right, with that out of the way, let's get started. Enjoyed watching me revamp my Miss Marvel costume. It was really fun and satisfying to fix my mistakes that I made, and I was almost glad I waited this long because when I made this I didn't have a serger, but now I do, so that made it possible to make those really clean elastic edges. But overall, I can't wait until I make or redo my next costume. Thank you!